Yeah, and then I'll come back later. Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Waiting for a
I
call
don't see
from
Mark coming back. He gave up.
Mark.
Hmm.
I mean, he's taking care of his health, man.
Oh, got health issues?
Yeah. So,
Oh, shame.
just let that be the focus. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
This is not going anywhere. You know what I
Look at Oracle jumped. Look
mean?
at Oracle jumped.
Oh, yeah.
The spy did its thing. Spy
Mm.
did its thing. They come down and test the 675.
We see 700 before the year end.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
Tesla's
thinking.
holding the view up.
Can we get 700? Can we
Today.
get 700?
We will close the year with 7.5. I
Mm.
said that earlier. So
750.
7.5. I even can even go up to 7.7.
Mm.
Um, MNDY popping. MNDY is popping. Uh, I bought Google yesterday,
Mm.
324. Sold it this morning at 328. I think we're going to have a sideways movement today.
Well, a lot of people is on
Mm-hmm. I think we're going to have a sideways. It's going to be sideways today.
a lot of people is on little vacation here. So we're not
Yes, I
gonna
want to
have
come down to 675
not
again.
gonna have a
Retest it.
much
Retest it. There's nothing moving. I checked the
uh,
pre-market. Nothing's
this
moving.
just popped here a while ago.
Is this MNDR of yours? That's up again 40%.
Uh-huh.
Color pharmacies.
Yeah,
INHD. Remember INHD?
yeah.
Hmm.
This one broke today already.
And Wolf.
Uh,
We can look at Wolf today. What do you say about
broke
Wolf? Look at
today.
Wolf. 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 Wolf.
Wolf moving.
It spikes down. Wolf got volume. Ah, it's already ran up so much, man. Where we can see it, 3.2. Where is it net? It's already at 3.5. So where's the next one? Wolf is going, man. So already at 3.2,
If this one could run,
3.8. I can see 3.8 on Wolf. TSM is coming down. Amazon wants to run. Amazon wants to run. Look at that. Wow, what a run on Amazon. 205 to 215. Meta is coming down. Nvidia is coming down. AMD. AMD, did she close the gap? AMD, not yet. AMD needs to close the gap right up to 192. 192 on AMD, Steve.
hmm,
That baby's gonna flush. The baby's gonna flush. She gonna flush. Oh, Baba this morning, 159.
Watch, watch how the market opened this morning.
I think we're gonna get a flush down, man. They're gonna sell
Mhm,
everything what the market ran up yesterday. So they're gonna sell, take profits and go for the Thanksgiving. Pay for the
mhm,
turkey, $100 turkey.
mhm,
Well, I'm starting off red today. In
mhm.
fact, I'm red for this month yet.
Yeah, because you sell some stuff, didn't you?
Yeah, I did some wrong things. Held on to some shit. And
Mhm,
I'm still holding on to that UGRO.
mhm. So, see if we could scalp this out here. Come on.
Which one?
Shit. Come on. Give me that. Come on.
AEHL?
Okay,
I'm
come
not
on.
taking it.
Come on. Let's go.
Hmm. Market is falling.
Come on.
Falling.
Get up there. Get up there.
Take it, man. Take it. I don't trust this thing. Market is falling, guys. AEHL is good if it falls. Usually, there you go. 3.8. There you go. 3.9.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Take it.
Got him.
Yeah,
Got
take it.
him. Gotta
Take
do
it.
it. You gotta do it. Do it to it. That's how we're kicking off the morning today. Hey, listen. They call they call us the stock market extraction team for nothing.
No, no.
They don't say that for nothing. We take it and we run, son. We take it and run.
Yeah.
There you go. Go on. Come back to the entry, we'll be out. Okay? And we'll rinse and repeat again if it does ever do that again.
Spike came back. Spike came back. Touch the level.
Um,
Let's see if she can reverse now. You're good with that. I don't take it.
SPY got a break on the 675.
How did you pick up AEHL?
How? Remember I've
Hmm.
been trading this?
I know we've been trading this many times,
Yeah.
but how did you pick it up now?
Pick it up off this
Hmm.
candle here. You
No,
see
no.
here,
How did you know? How did you know to grab AEHL? I mean,
the volume, the volume, the
where's
volume,
the volume?
the volume. Look, you see the candle?
I know. I understand that. Where
Yeah.
did you? How? Who told you to pick it up? I mean,
Yeah, I
you
just
can.
know.
Mm,
I
you got
just
some
know.
indicators. You got some indicators there.
No, no indicator here. Here. Look, it shows support here. It's either I could have
But did
waited
you have an
here.
alert or but did you have an alert or something?
No, I
Then
have
how
my
did you pick it?
my alert is right down here. Look, you see down here? Remember BMNR? You just talked about that, right?
Yeah.
You
Oh,
see
yeah.
that?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Look, you see that? These are all my indicators that are my watch list. So anytime it pops up on my watch list, I have levels in it. You see all these marks?
Mm-hmm.
Remember I was telling you about anytime I get those, right?
Mm-hmm.
Those are an opportunity for me because I already put the work in already. I already
So
set it
you
up.
set an alert.
Yeah. So I
Oh, okay.
set my alerts up. It flash up on my screen. Look at SMGL. Look at
Yeah.
Ford.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Look at
Mm-hmm.
MNDR. It's all
Mm-hmm.
NOK. I got these down here. So when
Yeah.
it alert me, like we miss it. We missed
Mm-hmm.
this one this morning. So
Mm-hmm.
see that one at 7:10. So I can't catch them all, but I'll catch the ones that I could catch.
Mm-hmm.
right? So the
Mm-hmm.
ones that I could catch and it looks good for me, even though I get alert, it may not be a trade that I take, right?
Yeah.
Because I already missed it. Or like this one, we missed it earlier this morning. So I waited, see it's overbought. Boom.
Mm-hmm.
I found a support level here. You see on this candle, I couldn't take it on this candle. I was waiting for it to finish. Once this is
Mm-hmm.
finished, see where the next candle open up and it break. Boom. And I wait for the pullback and then take the next candle. Bam. And that's what I did on this one. Remember, it's overbought, so it could pull back at any given time. We still got what? About 50 more points before it hit 100. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you still got an opportunity in it. But this is where you make the decision. Do I continue? The volume start coming in? Do I continue? It's already overbought. So it could pull back at any given time. I was just
Mm-hmm.
taking advantage of the strength of the candle. All right. And that's another way you could scalp too. Like the stock pullback, it's on a trend to the upside. Boom, you get it when it pulls back, and boom, you're out. Right. So, like for me now, coming into this now, if I didn't get the alert and seeing it breaking the 390, right, then I wouldn't go for this unless tons of volume coming in, right? Then I would wait for the next level, see what it's going to do at 435. If not, I'm not taking this trade. I'm waiting for the pullback till it get exhausted at the top and pulling back because it's already overbought.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll go to another one. Give me one. Give
No,
me
no, no,
one.
no, no. That's not. No, I'm not talking about the trade. I'm talking about how did you know it was, because on the pre-market it was there, but
Give me another
whereas
one for pre-market. It don't matter which one. I'm gonna see. Just give me another stock.
CJet is running, the one we traded the other
Which
day.
one?
CJet,
C Jack.
yeah,
C Jack.
Ocala, yeah,
C Jack. C Jet.
CJET, yeah,
C
CJet.
Jet. Okay. Look at C Jet. Right. My alert is up here. I wouldn't get an alert until it hits here. You
Mm,
understand? So if I'm not looking at C Jet, I won't get C Jet. Right. I had to put an alert there, but the green normally is where I'll put my alert. I didn't put one here. I put one here. Okay, let's
mhm,
go. See, we were down here. You see all it was down here? All my alerts were down here. So we took care of this when it was trading down here, right?
yeah.
So the next one is here. Look where the next one is. So that's the only time I'm gonna get an alert. So if I don't get an alert, I'm not gonna be watching it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we know here, this is 15 minutes. Up here at $2. Look, I know there's a resistance here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I move this, bam, right? I'm gonna clear all this out because we trade this up here before to the downside, right? And I know alert to get over this 324. All right.
So you didn't pick it up off. Okay. Besides being on the pre-market, you picked it up from your alerts that you set.
Right, on my watch list, yeah.
Okay.
So that's how I know. So now I know that, look at here, 156. It breaks
Mm-hmm.
down. I'll search. There it is right there.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see it break that. So I
Okay.
would put this down here like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on a minute there, Yasin. Go ahead, Ben.
There's a multi-vehicle crash in Volusia County on State Road 44, New York Avenue East, State Road 44 at I-4. The right lane's blocked. Moving slow on US 1 into Ormond Beach, Nova Road to West Granada, and State Road 100 near the airport. Listen, there's a thing called fake flyers, people requesting wheelchairs to get through security faster at the airport. That's not nice.
All right. So now that I did that, right? If CJ gets up here, because we went to the 15 minutes, right? And then I'm just you see that 15-minute right here?
Mm-hmm.
We see this, right? So from 156 to here, there's another resistance, right? So I got to be careful on this. Do I want to take CJ here because I'm only looking for what? 56.
10 cents.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
know, do I wait for it to break this level? I'd rather take this level here, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one here, which is the 197, right? And take it to 235. I'd rather that. Not saying that I can't take it here, right? As long as the momentum is coming up on this candle here, yes, I could take it and get me there, right? As long as the momentum is coming here, right? I could do that. But if I don't get it here, I'll wait for here and take this bigger opportunity here. As long as the volume is coming up. If the volume is not coming up, I'm not gonna trade this stock. I'll wait, right? And if it's shortable, then I'll short it underneath this level here. Look at this big support. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
It closes down, right? And boom, look at it here. So now this is my window. Let me get rid of these here. And I'm just, sometime, great question though. You know, you wanted to know how, and you're gonna learn how, right? So for me, 99% of the stocks that I get, right, I already have them already. And every day I get on here and I do the momentum stock, I chart them already. All right. From the time they break out and to where they potentially is going to be resistance, supports, I mark all those things out already. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Gaps, all of those. So when I'm not on live, I'm on the chart and I'm doing those things and I'm researching. So the only things I can research are IPOs, right? When
Yeah.
IPO come on, they come on the same day, boom, boom, boom. But after that, I'll keep an eye on IPOs. So here we are. The only other thing CJ can do is break onto this 112, right? This 113 to the
Yeah.
downside,
Keep
right?
on bleeding. Mm-hmm.
Right. So here's a big support. So I like the support here because it's telling me what? Buyers don't want this stock to go down any further until they allow it and then release it and then bam, this becomes the high now, pre-market high, and then this comes yesterday close low or day before. This was
Mm-hmm.
yesterday, day before.
No, all that pattern I understand.
Yeah,
All the patterns I understand. It was just the alert factor.
yeah. But
Okay.
I have those already. I have
Okay.
and then you got your scanner on your chart, your additional information for different stocks. You just go to your scanner, right?
Okay.
If it falls below here on the way back up, then I'll look for this area here, this 133, right back up here, and this would be my target if it's fall
Okay.
beyond here. But it got to give me a better setup. You saw that? You saw
Yeah.
that overboard? Boom. Damn. So even though the stock looked good going up sometimes, you get, and how many times yesterday? What did we trade yesterday?
Oh man,
That
so many
kicker
things.
butt yesterday. And then I finally got it. Oh, that LNAI.
LNA, yeah.
NLAI. Matter of fact, let's go there and see what we have here. Look at it. Look. And
It's
then we
got dead.
finally traded down. There you go.
Yeah.
So this was it yesterday. It couldn't get over the $1.70. And look, this is where we were. We got a little bit, boom, pull back, boom, pull
Okay.
back, boom. It could never reach here after all that. And then
Mm-hmm.
finally we said, you know what? We're gonna short the darn thing, and we shorted. Oh, there you go. I'm out on this one here. Came back to entry. All right. LNAI. And here we are with it today. Okay, it's coming up, but what I need for this to do, you see all that alert here? So if I got an alert, this $1.13, I would want to
That's
see
it.
it go through here,
Mm-hmm.
right? I'm not going to do anything because it's untradeable here, right? There's a resistance here. All right. This is the low. So this is untradeable right now. So I would move that down here. I don't normally trade stock under $1, but you know, if it's shortable, yeah, and it's going down, you could get about 50 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, however it is that you feel like you want to trade that stock for. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But when I see stock like this in this type of formation, I'll leave it alone and wait till volume like this comes in. Either coming up, show me a pattern that it's trying to go higher, or trying to go lower. Right now, it's just where do you go? I would be guessing right now. So the only thing I could do with a stock like this is to see if it break certain levels with a pattern that I like to trade, or it fits in my scheme of strategy, right? And if it got volume, right? Right now, 52. I wouldn't mess with this. I stay away from stuff like this. Unless I'm trying to get this and hold it, say, oh, up here, I let go of it up here, right? Let it come up
Mm-hmm.
here or oh, for a week or so, or a couple days. But other than that, I won't touch a stock like this. A lot of times you see me with when I pull up on a chart and look at the chart, I said, I'm staying away from that. I like better patterns like ZS, right? ZS is coming through. Boom, boom, boom. It may be low volume, but it's 297 on this one. It's very low. I would have bought it down here and just say, you know what? When it gets back up here, I'll come out of it. But
Mm-hmm.
still, it's the volume is not there for me. You know, even though it's making the right move, it's just not there for me. And look,
Yeah.
I could come out with my 50 shares here at any point now. So that was a good swing on that. That was a good swing. So we could get out of that. And let's see where Way Day is.
Weight is down.
It's down. So I
Yeah,
still
but
could wait on Way Day, you know.
ADSK ran nice. Maybe we can short it. Maybe we can short it. The 318.
Mm.
It's gonna come down to around 311.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
that.
uh,
So Way Day, look at Way Day. Move this here.
you short it now?
No, no, no. I'm just gonna show you something. Like we're down here. We know that we did that yesterday, right?
Mm.
We know that's the low. For me to get into way day, just looking at way day now, coming into the market, this has got to be the area that I traded below, or I'm gonna wait for it here. I'm not doing anything with way day until I see, right?
Yeah.
I'm not doing. So right now, way day is untradeable. So right now, this is all I'm looking for, right? And I set my alerts. And again, guys, me setting my alerts, that don't mean you could do the same thing too, right? Because my phone goes off 24/7, right? It alerts me 24/7 because I go through it and set the things up, right? So at any moment I get an alert, I have an opportunity to trade a stock, Bitcoin, whatever it is, futures, whatever it is, if I'm trading those things, right? So if it's that is a strategy you're gonna use, just know that your phone is gonna be on a constantly ringing
Yeah.
all
Too many
the
alerts.
time. Okay. If that's not what you want to do, don't do it. All right. If you haven't started, don't start. But I've been doing it for so long, for years, it I'm immune to it. I know. So I'm to the point where the only thing I come to the market and look for what stock have earnings, and I'll pick 4 stock that are earnings, and I trade those because I want to see the movement on those. And you got the typical stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Amazon, right? Nvidia, right? And all those stocks, those are major brands that we could trade all day, every day, because you're gonna find volume in those, right? Apple, right? You're gonna find volume in those. And then if a storm comes, you check the Home Depot, the Walmart, the Lowe's, right? Power. It's just different. You just gotta be there, right? To know that, okay, these are the stocks that are moving. And you'll get it. You'll get it on your alert. They'll talk about it in the news. All right. So for way day, I won't be doing anything until I see 222.76 or breaking underneath the low here. Right. So this morning. So we just I mean, CJ, look at CJ.
It's
Look
just
at
going to
CJ.
die.
Look at
It is
CJ.
going to die.
Look, but look at it though,
Yeah.
right?
Making a bullish flag, but it's going to
Right?
die. Mm.
That was 114. That was 44,000.
Let's look at
And
plug,
now 12,000,
plug, plug,
right?
plug, plug. Plug's not doing it.
So we wait. And we could put another alert here at this 197. And we're not trading
Above,
it
right?
under here.
The SPY wants to come to 675. Wants to test that, close the gap, close the
Tesla,
gap.
TSLA.
Mhm. So it's rocking. Tesla is rocking. Test the view up twice.
Yeah, Tesla gapped up.
Yeah, it's closing the gap.
So we got a gap here from, let's bring that across here.
But
Tesla
remember,
gapped up.
Tesla, if it closes green, it always keeps on going. If it closes red, it keeps on falling. I
So
noticed
this
that
is
on Tesla. And yesterday, because it kept on going, I held on to my 20 shares.
there you go.
Yeah.
So look what Tesla got to fight with this morning, if it ever comes back down here.
Yeah.
Not
419.
only around this area, yeah, right? So what you think I'm gonna do now? There's two things that could happen here. Several things could happen here on Tesla. Here go Tesla.
Go 425.
For me to break Tesla, there's several things can happen here, right? Tesla is inside here, right? I could wait for Tesla to break down here. The 423 towards 431, that would be my target, right?
Yeah.
That's one option. The next option, wait for Tesla to build and break over the top. That's two options. Number three, I could scalp Tesla right through this level here, 424.68. If the volume continue to test this level here, this 425, I could scalp it here.
The SPY is tendency.
Yeah. I could scalp it here. It all depends on what you're looking for, right? Is this your strategy? Are you in a scalping strategy? Here, from here, bam. Stop loss right underneath here, right? I'm not going any more than that. I'm not giving it any more than that. Boom. I will enter, boom, target, right? We got 2 minutes and 53 seconds. So that candle still have volume in it, right? After it close, we got to find out where it's going to close. It's going to open up, finish on top, close up top, continue to go, or close below, and then continue to go sideways. So it's all depends on what you want to do. So if I'm looking at Tesla, I'm not scalping Tesla. Not saying I can't, but that's another option, right? I'm just exhausting all my options, what I could do, and then come with one that I'm really comfortable on trading, or if that fit into my trading style, right? So this would be a scalp, an idea for a scalp, as long as the volume is coming up and it's going towards the 70 RSI, right? Bam, we still got 2 minutes in it. Because I'm delayed, boom, I'll wait. So that's not an option. This is not an option. Hold on. Go ahead, man.
Uh-huh.
This is where I would look to short. Bam.
Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am.
We're looking good in our area, no issues. There is construction East New York Avenue at North Kepler Road into land. You need to watch out for. Slow and go on the boulevards, ISV, LPGA, near the Tinker outlets. Hope you fill the gas tank. Got your phone charger. Nothing worse than crawling in holiday traffic with 8% left.
So for me, I would short this Tesla here as long as it's moving down, right? That would be a target. If I miss this trade right here, then the next one would be this one inside the gap to fill the gap to the downside. Boom, out. If it continue to go, just remember we got another support inside here, right? So here we go. Boom. And this was the gap from yesterday. So if it's coming down, I missed the first one. This is one I'm going to be looking at, this area here, right? All through here. Boom. Boom. Right?
Yeah, it's going to support it 418.
Right. So
Got a big
that would
support
be
at
the
418.
next stage I'll be looking for if the direction change, right? If Tesla is coming down to fill the gap, that's what I would do, right? But if it's not and the trend is up, look, this is all I'm waiting for that volume to break through, break the top, and here we go. And to get some more data, we go 15 minutes, see where it's at in 15 minutes. We go 30 minutes. We still know we need to get over the high, right? We go an hour. We still know that it needs to get over here, but look at an hour we got. Bam. Let me get some of these. Right? So 429 from 425 to 429, almost 450, we got an opportunity here. Almost 4.5 points, right? To get to that top there. We go a little bit deeper. Right? Let me get rid of some of these because I'm gonna start getting alert. You see, guys, this is how I trade Tesla, man. See? Look.
Good.
Up here. Right? So look, 466. Yeah. So I'll go and cut off these, right? Get rid of some of these here. But this is just my chart, and I'll go in and I'll clear up at times. Right?
Yes.
There we
So
go. This area here. Right there. So
but I look at it, my analysis on Tesla is that over 414, she's bullish. Below 414, she's bearish for now. So anything over 414, she's going high. But then I'm trading. It's a swing for the swing trade, not for the daily trade. The SPY is coming up, Steve. There we go.
yeah, a
Watch.
little bit, a little bit. So let me look at. Let me even do this. I know I got this stuff here on here, but
There she goes, 425, Steve, on Tesla.
yeah. Let me get rid of some of these here for you. Let me get some of this on. Just want to show you something. Like if I'm waiting on the 2-hour. So
425.
I'll look at Tesla here. See down here, look. We know that Tesla down here at on the 2-hour, right?
Oh,
4 hour.
Amazon. Watch Amazon.
Um,
But you're trading the
down here. This is the 4-hour. Right? Down here. Tesla got to get back down to 381, right? So if Tesla is coming back down here, this is something I would mark out here on Tesla. Right? This is something on the bigger picture. All right?
yeah.
So this was something I would set up. Just to give an idea, right? Boom. And I know every time Tesla come down, if Tesla ever come back down here, Tesla come down here, I'm gonna be waiting. Yeah, right? And then this would be the bottom support here, double bottom down here, right? Right? This here, this area here, get this out of here, clean that up. I know 402, 403 here on Tesla. If it ever gets back down here, this is gonna have an alert here. This is where I'm gonna be watching at, right? And from here, anything down, it start moving down here inside this area from 402 to 389. That's gonna give me an opportunity to trade
Oh,
Tesla.
short.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got
So I'll come back up here, 4 hour, anything up here. And I'm just clearing this out. We could go back and do Tesla. I don't have to touch Tesla. So boom, clear all of this out. All right. We know that this gap was from the day before, and then this is today's gap. So here, this is that. This is here. Look. All right. There's some support inside here, right? Look, there's a fair value gap inside here, right? Look. Right inside here.
Yes, sir.
Huh? See?
Gap
So
up.
412 would be an area that I'm going to be watching, right? That I could watch. So for right now, we're not here yet, but that's in the future, right? We're thinking ahead, right? So I'm thinking ahead. So I got that set up, right? We got one, we got two. If it ever changes direction, this is going to be an opportunity. And we're setting it up now. So it's not like, oh, we didn't know. Oh, when we get back here and we go back and we look at it, we're going to say, man, we did set that up. Oh, did I miss that? Bam, right? So the only thing now, look, it's beating this area here now to get to this 429. That's our goal right now because it has support here. And for it to break down, I want to see it get back through here and come right back down, fill the gap, come right back down, and then I'll be taking advantage of this level here. But for right now, this is the level we need to take care of. As long as the volume is coming up on Tesla, 429 should be the target. So when you ask, what's my target on Tesla? My target is 429. Can we get there today? We don't know. Something could happen in the market and it doesn't get there. It just pull back like this. Boom with a wick. Boom and start coming back down. But if the volume keep coming, look. Look.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So that's just me in a nutshell, guys. All right. And here we're back to the 5 minutes, back to where we were. All right. SPRC. See, look, I chart this one, but I didn't put the alert on it, right? Look, alert was down here. That was the only alert I got in this one. And we had traded down here.
Getting there. You're getting there. You're coming there. You're
Yeah,
getting there.
yeah, man. I'll get there sooner or later. Oh, there you go. Alert up here. There you go. The alert's up there.
Ah,
You see.
yeah.
So now we're here. Boom. How can we do? We go. See here. Bam. That would be my short. It spiked through it. All right. Now I'll look higher. Higher. We're right inside here. This is resistance here, right? It's having trouble inside here. All right. Resistance.
AMC, is going
This is
crazy.
about 20 cents right here.
SPRC, yeah, we traded it some
That's
time.
about 20 cents. We could get 20 cents. I mean, 20 cents. that you got to set up for your stop loss, right? AEHL again, right?
Going up again.
David, would you say that little black button looks corroded?
Yeah, it's corroded from water, the hardness of the water.
What we traded yesterday.
Wow,
The funny stock we traded yesterday, it kept its high.
which one? I'll go back to it.
AEHL.
Which one?
AEHL is pumping again. At bottom.
Yeah, I have trouble up there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where I would like to see this breakout for 20 cents. Short. See a little gap there.
Mm-hmm.
Not saying I wouldn't go short on this one here.
Let's look at something else, Steve.
Yeah. So I'll keep that on the watch list, right? SPRC, you put SPRC on your watch list. You put AEHL. Those are two that you could watch, right? That's a nice spike here.
Ready? Okay. Lahat istiyor. Var. Tabii istiyor. Ne bile. Yang biliyor. Her böyle. Olsun. Böyle biraz ipaima bir bitiyor jadi. Mesela. Mungkin lagi. Waktu. Lagi. Oh, actually. Kali you 1 second.
See that? See, as we doing that, that break right there. Mm. So it would have to pull back here again for me to do it, right? On HEHL. Now I have to wait for it to break there. This is a quick, would have been a nice 26 cents, as long as the volume is coming up, right? Bam. So this is something you would want to watch. Anywhere it turns and coming right back down. Boom. Boom. Anything lower than that. All right. That's that. Look at this, babe. Babe, look at this.
I saw NBA. Siaran macam biasa saya pun. Hmm. Ini pesa kat mana? Slow है ना ये long term है सारा check slow है ये bucket ada baca bucket. Hey, bull is running, Steve. Bull is running. So far, I got volume. What you take on how will you? So I sold my
You
sofa
understand
yesterday.
why? How long ago she know? You know,
Everything, babe.
come on, babe. You know, that's not how I plan it.
Baba भी बेचे भी उसे. That's all right.
Stress every time.
Nah,
Stress.
nah. Done that a long time ago, baby. Just babe, just ask her what time. Because I'm not gonna sit out here. Yeah, just communicate. Just tell me what time you're gonna be there and that. AMBR. So AMBR, you're waiting for this, some volume to come in here. The trend is look like it's down, but it got some support inside here, right? All right, wait till it breaks. If we're gonna go lower. But right now, nothing. SPRC is something you could keep on your watch list. There's some volume coming in SPRC. Up 36%, up 88 cents. Like, yeah, let's grab this one. How much more? 30 seconds before that candle finish. Let's see where the next candle open. We need it to break this here.
See why they can't come today.
Ooh,
Just for this maintenance.
oh, that- getting close to the holiday there. You know how it is. So this is where you would watch for this break. Retest, retest, right? Pull back, pull back. So if this is what you want to trade, you have to wait for volume to come in and break that towards the top. Right? That's if you want it. You got to be there in order to get it. About a 15-cent move here. As long as volume is coming up there. This area here.
Yeah, so there.
I ain't trying to get aggravated, better. I just knew that wasn't gonna happen.
Well, why you gotta lie? You gotta lie. Just tell the truth. You need to call her and you realize, I'll be there at 8, okay, whatever. What time do you really be there? Man. Not every time.
Put that on your watch list, guys. We're looking at AMBR. There she goes. Missed it by a split second here. Come on, give it to me. Yeah. All right, let's see if we could get anywhere up here. All right. And watch SPRC too. That's another one. I'll be out here though on this one here if we can't get it through here. Sometimes you just gotta scalp it, man. You scalp in, out. But I need to exit on a solid candle. I can't exit on a spike. I'm gonna lose anyway if I exit on a spike, right? So I need the body of the candle to come through that 201, at least even up here 207, anywhere up here. If it doesn't reach the goal, but anywhere as long as it's coming up with a solid candle, I could exit at any time. Okay. I don't want to exit on a spike because you're going to lose that trade anyway. So I'd rather lose the trade to my stop loss than lose it to a spike. Okay. So I would need like a solid candle like this coming up with that much body. So I could even get 3/4 out. Market is not doing anything, sitting on top of VWAP. And the volume is low. And that's one reason why you don't get into those one because the volume is low. I need more volume, man. That's the thing with momentum stocks. It looks good at times, but it need volume for you to like kind of capitalize off it. Boom, bam. That's what's down here. So 1915, that would be our target for today. Anything over 1915, I like that idea. But 1915, that's where we would want to go to. All right, 1915. That would be the target.
One, two, one, two, one, two. Last ride, traffic lighter than normal on I-95. There is a disabled vehicle on southbound 95 just before Old Kings Road off to the right shoulder. Also another one, Ormond Beach, right before Granada Boulevard. TGE, enjoy your day. See you back in traffic this evening. Be safe on the roads.
Watch that there. Beautiful. See what I mean? Boom. And I take that. Now, if it comes back to my entry, I'm out, right? I'm just taking advantage of what the market is giving me or what the stock is giving me. Can it get up here? Yeah. Can I wait? Could I hold that till it get up here? Yeah, you could have. You got choices. But my methodology is trying to pay myself first as quickly as possible, right? That's my idea. Extracting little bit at a time over a period of time. Boom. Over 5 trades. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Right? Boom. It don't matter what it is, guys. Boom. Boom. Out. Right? And I just milk that for that candle just by itself. I just milk that. Right? It could go to the moon now. And if it continue to go higher, it go higher. I just move my stop loss up little by little. Boom, target hit. That's all we needed. Right? It could go to the moon or pull back, or I could be done with that trade. Right? Easier said than done. But look, we've been waiting on that trade, right? We had our stop loss set up. Boom. Okay. Let it run, man. Let it cook. AMBR. Shit. Woo. My goodness. 2026 is going to be amazing. 2026 is going to be and not only I do the momentum stuff, but oh man, sheesh, forget about it. right? Forget about it. Forget about it. I just want you guys to see that right there. Oh, shoot. I forgot. On this side? You saw that, you see? You saw that, you see? Mm-mm-mm. Boom, done with that trade. What a great trade. Hmm? What a great trade.
The Plano County Board of Commissioners gavel is now Leanne Pennington. She's excited about the community getting 2 new fire stations. One in the city of Vanilla area. Greatly needed out of that. Getting funding for beach improvements will be a priority of hers, but she doesn't want it to come through a sales tax. The salt beach triggers, but without having to discuss the house. We need to get permission, we need to save more money, we need to be only doing things the government should be doing and not doing things the government shouldn't be doing with their dollar. And we're gonna peel back some things and take a look, see if that's really what we should be doing. From the WNC.
You just want to get in there. That's all. Just want to get in there.
Yeah, I would say.
Uh, how we looking, guys? So that's the next goal, right? If the continue, remember we overbought, so every time it gets up here, we get a pullback, right? We get a pullback, right? This area here. Short it underneath here towards downside if it start coming back down. That's an opportunity. Right? This is another opportunity here, short, bam, or we go here. That's it. That's all you're waiting on this one here. That's an opportunity, and then this would be your target. So you're trading in between here, these two purple lines, target, target. If we break here, boom. If we break here, down. Okay. Let's look at something else. You was talking about wolf, weren't you, Yasin? Wolf. Wolf. Not no wolf at the moment. Let me see that phone, that please. Nothing.
Like I got all the just surrounded.
Mm.
We need to put it back. Oh, it don't make no sense, but do it tip without, yeah, but when you return, well, where you at? I'm way out in that, but I'll let you know what I think.
Okay. I will miss my water. You put something else other than salt and lemon in here?
Lemon tastes funny. If the lemon's not good, you drink it if it tastes funny. Lemons.
Let AMBR continue to run. I mean, there's another over 6.
Another one.
This one. AMBR run. Good morning, everybody. No trading tomorrow, and the market closed at 1 on Friday. Just be aware of that if you not already know on that. If you don't already know on that. Okay. Regular schedule hours today. Nothing on Wolf at the moment. You gotta be selective with these penny stocks here, you know. Does it fit your criteria? Does it fit what you're looking for? Barbecue Boogaloo. Look at this guy here. Wow. So before I get into it, I look 240. There's some hella resistance right here, right? Look at that hella resistance there. That's about 31 cents here. If we break through this level here, from here to here, in between here, these two here, got a big support here. Volume, 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 volume. Look at that. Just won't. Look, 586. So I wouldn't mess with this one, but I charted up though. Maybe I'll have volume at some other time, but not now. Ah, I don't see nothing in sin. We waiting for the market. Nothing on the market. We take 2 trades today. I mean, sometimes it's like that. We can't catch everything. If the volume is not there, you can't catch it. So, and again, we got to be selective on the stock that we pick too, you know. $5,000. Mm-mm-mm. Can plug get back to over $2 on plug power? I just won't touch plug, man. You would have to get plug. Just won't. I know one day it's just gonna pop, but right now it's just like accumulating. People are just plug. I would have to get plug down here when it was down here, right? You see, look, I just wouldn't touch plug right now. Unless you're trying to accumulate, buy and hold. That's the only way I would do plug. What is this? Man, hood. Mm-mm-mm. This is my life, guys. Clearing up chart, readjusting. That's what trading. If you ain't ready for that, man, don't get started. Don't get started. Because this is what it's gonna take. Rinse and repeat. Over and over again. So I clear up hood chart. Clear it up. Past is past. We're in the present. There's a little gap inside here, right? Let's find it. So that area there. And this is what I do, ladies and gentlemen. I go through and if this is a stock I'm interested in, I go through it and I do what I need to do. And again, if this is a stock you want to trade, you're just gonna have to sit and wait it out. So So I know there's a gap there. It's overbought. Mm. So that's hood. Target. Second target. To the downside now. Now we're breaking down, right? Now we gotta see if it could break higher. Overbought. So we're inside this zone here. Good. But you could watch that. Watch hoods. Overbought though. That's a 60-cent move from here to here. Mhm. Right then. 123. It's a 90 cents right here on hood. So we got two today. That's all we could have got. The market is not going into Thanksgiving. I mean, not much is going on, right? The market opened up at 9:30. We're gonna be looking at some stock that got earnings today, and we'll pick around. So follow us on all social media here. Get into the Discord. You'll get the stock picks once I go look at them, right? If you're first time here, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Come on in, man. Hey, listen, I'm not gonna come here and say I'm give you all these technical. I'm just gonna show you what I do, right? If you like what I do, you just hit that subscribe button and hit that follow button. Come on, we'll do it together. 2026. I'm really, really, really gonna make this big move here. Just not even get crazy in the market anymore. Just focusing and just holding that stock and wait for that entry to get in and just kind of hold my position. You know, normally I come in, I'll hold for a little bit, boom, 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 take some out. You know how it is. Go and watch some of the videos. You'll see how I operate. Again, probably work on an ebook with all my strategy and put that ebook strategy out there for anybody who wants to cop it, right? But you could see a lot through my videos too as well. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right. So 11 o'clock we'll go to unless something happened, 11 o'clock we'll go to TikTok and we meet you over there. Yeah. Another one you should keep eye on. Hood. And you keep eye on this one. AEHL. All we need is volume to come in. The volume is picking up some. Right? Volume is picking up. We could get back to it here. Right? And if I'm looking at this on some you can wait for that, or you wait for this here. Right? You got the idea. It won't stick it there. Yeah. And just wait for that. Wait for it to build. Right? And then you know this is a double bottom here. Right? And that's all you're waiting for on AEHL, right? You need the volume to pump it up to get us up here. Anywhere up here. You need that volume to get us there, right? But first you want to see it retest at 416. If it's going to break here, I need to see it 416, and that would be getting it into the strength of the stock to get that about that 14 cents, right? But I wouldn't do anything and see what direction this is going to go. Sideways, accumulating right now. All right? And then AMBR. If you continue to watch this, so AMBR got to get over here. We already break through here, so that is out of the question. I mean, scalping, as long as you could scalp it through here towards the top, but that's what I wouldn't do if I'm on some of the scalping stuff. So this is what I would wait for. Wait for it to come down here, break this support level, come back down, right? Boom, boom, boom. So now you just wait. Here, boom. Here to the downside. That's it. All right? And just be patient. Remember, the market is not going anywhere. Look, we went through a bunch of stuff today and we only took advantage of two. There are times that, and again, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so a lot of people is not in the market. They're all on vacation, they're all traveling, whatever the case may be. So the ones that are in here, trade is just going to be minimum, right? So I'll see you guys at 11. Okay. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate you. Okay, always. And again, while you're live, I mean, just always shoot a text inside the chat. Don't be afraid to shoot a text inside the chat. Let me know what you guys are thinking about or what you guys are looking at.
You moving to the next one?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Next
move
channel?
there. I'm gonna look for the yeah. I'll see you in a few seconds. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you guys.